You want to make some crazy looking ads that look suspiciously realistic like this? If you want to book more meetings, then you're going to want to listen to me. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make super creative viral ads using the new Nanobanana Google VEO 3 in 11 labs. So first things first, what we want to do is we want to film the clip that we're going to turn into an ad for the hook. Here is what I created. If you want to book more meetings, then you're going to want to listen to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just cut to the last frame here, right when I snap. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, delete this, and I'm going to click on the frame. I'm going to go to File, Share, Save Current Frame. And then I can just say Next, and then Current Frame. All right, with the frame, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Gemini 2.5 and use Nanobanana and basically prompt it with what kind of character we want to be. So I'm going to say, make this image of me wearing a money suit and being a money character with a meeting booked hat on, make it kind of obnoxious and guru-ish. We're gonna have fun with this one, okay? This is gonna be a funny one. With some prompting, this is what I came up with. Pretty funny, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click download full-size image and we are good to go. Now what we need to do is we need to turn this character into a video. And how we use that is we use Google VEO 3. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new project. And then from my flow builder, I'm going to do frames to video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus sign. I'm going to click on upload. And I'm going to click on the last frame that I just generated, which was this. Then I'm going to click on crop and save. And then I'm just going to say, make this person say, then you're going to want to listen to me. Okay. So then what VEO 3 generated was this for me, saying that essentially. Obviously we just need a cut of it. Click on download. We don't have to upscale it ourselves because we have a couple options of original size of 720 or the upscaled version, which is 1080p, which obviously for ads will be much, much better. Okay, once it is finished upscaling, I'm just going to go ahead and download that file, go back to my Final Cut Pro and drag that in there. And then let's just see how this flows. For meetings. Cool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to actually take my first clip because I said at the end. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click this. I'm going to say detach audio because we don't need the video on it. And then I'm going to cut to where I say, then you're going to want to listen to me. Delete that. And you're going to want to listen to me. And then make it flow well. And you're going to want to listen to me. So now we just need to line it up. And you're going to want to listen to me. Then we can just cut it where I stopped it. So now, if you want to book more meetings, then you're going to want to listen to me. It's a little bit kind of quiet, I guess you can say. So one way to really up the level of these ads is to add some sort of sound design. And I'm actually going to show you a couple things that you can do with 11 Labs that could make your life super, super easy and allow you to have a lot of fun with this tool. So first, inside of 11 Labs, we could do a text to speech. So if I didn't want to say, then you're going to want to listen to me, and you didn't have a voiceover of that, well, 11 Labs could literally do it for you. So I can just say, then you're going to want to listen to me. And then I can go to my voices and I could search something like man. Then all I need to do is just select the voice, add it to my voices. Then I can click on generate speech here. I can go ahead and download this, go back here, and I can take that same file, drag it down below, and then say, then you're going to want to listen to me. I do all this to say you could have a lot of fun with it. Another thing inside of 11 Labs, which is pretty cool, if you're like, okay, I couldn't find anything inside of here, you could actually go to voices and create your own voice by using voice design. So you could basically say, I want a confident and cocky salesperson trying to sell me something that speaks really fast, and then go ahead and click on generate voice. All right, listen up. You know you need this. And then if I like the voice after testing it, then I can go ahead and save the voice. And then I could go back to text to speech and I could type in the same thing. I could find my salesman voice and click on generate speech. And I could take that voice and drag it down. Then you're going to want to listen to me. Now, if we wanted to even spice it up even more with sound effects, I could just go to sound effects and I could search like money being counted. That's funny to put in the background. I could do that one too. Or what I could do is I could describe a sound and I could say, I want money being counted with some light background noise, and it will go ahead and find me a bunch of options. I could choose one of these if I wanted to. Let's add one of those to it. And then let's just say I want a cha-ching money. Nice. So we can end with that one. So all in all, if you want to book more meetings, then you're going to want to listen to me. So that could be the start of a hook. Obviously, we could use our own voice. We could create our own voice using 11 Labs. You could turn this into a money character, an alien, a robot, a monster, whatever you want to turn it into, you can easily do. Now, this is just one example of how you can use AI to make more money in your business. The thing is, it is entirely possible to actually sell services as a business and leverage AI to do the dirty work for you. If you check out the video on the screen, you can learn exactly how I was able to do just that, starting a service-based business using AI. In that video, I show you how to actually get clients with a much cheaper, efficient, and 100% automated alternative to meta ads. And also in that one, I do a challenge and I start this business in just 10 hours. I will see you over there.